Leo's favorite room is the garage, apparently. He just meowed at the door and begged me to open it. And I let him in, and he's wallowing around like, I don't know what. He's just really likes the garage. Just loves to wallow around in the garage. Oh, I think Max is following suit. Yep, there goes Max. Something about the cement is like apparently really good for wallowing around. I don't understand. Ay, really cat.